Look at these. These are super gorgeous. These garlands, they have them in different colors, but you know the black, white, and gold is my thing.
Glamorous, penny pincher, glamorous.
Hey GPPs, how's everybody doing? Hope everyone's doing well. This morning I am sitting outside the at-home store. I'm actually doing some sourcing for somebody to find some plants. So I'm gonna go in there, and while I'm in there I'll check and see if they have any Christmas stuff out, and I will share with you. I know that some of the at-home stores are closing down, you know, across the United States. I'm not sure if this one is one of them, but I will inquire when I go in, and I'll share whatever I find in there with you. All right. It is so quiet in here, my gosh, and all I'm seeing is Halloween stuff all over the place. Okay guys, from what I am seeing, they have just started putting out their Christmas items. They have just started stocking the shelves. So right now they have minimal items, but they're coming. They have some items here. Look how gorgeous these are. They are like an ombre with the glitter and stuff on it. These are pretty. And it's $7.99 for the set of 4. Very pretty. I love these. Look at these. These are super gorgeous. These garlands, they have them in different colors, but you know the black, white, and gold is my thing. Different colors. These are $12.99 for the ones with the mixed ornaments. And these ones with the smaller ornaments, just the small ornaments all the way through, these ones are $7.99. They are so pretty. But yeah, this one right here is gorgeous. These wreaths are pretty, $24.99. Like I said, guys, they're in their very early stages of shelving their items, but they're coming. They have the pink velvet ornaments, $7.99. These are like a nice, pretty blush pink. These are gorgeous too. $4.99 for these. These are pretty. Look at these. They look just like a nice green Granny Smith apple. $7.99. They're a little bit smaller than the other ones, but there's 6 of them in this pack for $7.99. Look how pretty this is. I love this. If you have this under the right lighting on your tree and it twirls like it is doing now, just imagine how gorgeous it will be with the lights flickering around it. $3.99. They have these gorgeous velvet red ornaments, and these are big. Let me check the price out. These are $9.99, but they are gorge. And then right beside that we have some beautiful pinks. And these iridescent ones are gorgeous as well. This is so much fun. These colors and the shapes. Take a look at the shape. Really, really pretty. More blush pink stuff. And right below that they have the beautiful blues. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one's mixed with the velvet finish and gold. This is really pretty too. They're pretty much all $7.99 for this size. And then they have these other ones up top. These are pretty as well. A lot of pretty items they're bringing out. I can tell that the shelves are gonna be pretty stocked. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly do appreciate you. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit the notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.